Hi, this is Ron from 724 Support TV with a quick unboxing of not one but two WASD keyboards. These will be featured in our upcoming test. Open that one second. First is a WASD keyboard with Cherry MX brown switches. So the keyboard is nicely packaged and boxed. Cable is firmly attached, will not fall out. Comes with a keycap puller and a USB to PS2 adapter. These are brown Cherry MX switches. On a back plate, steel plate, I think. They feel real good. And this is their standard, non-customized ABS laser etched printing and legends. Next up, and similarly packed, is a custom version. I went into the WASD keyboard's custom layout designer, designed a keyboard profile, keycap layout, and they shot it all for me. So a mixture of Futura fonts, keycap colors, it's Times Roman, I think. This is, and it came with all of the identical set of accessories. And this is blue. With O-rings. So a quick sound comparison. These are Cherry MX brown. These Cherry MX blue with the WASD O-ring modification. Very nice. Anyhow, just a quick unboxing. We'll be doing a more detailed comparison in an upcoming video of these keyboards, along with some buckling spring and Philco and maybe a Leopold and Unicomp and Real Force with Topri keys. This has been another quick unboxing from 724 Support TV.